Hey everyone, FetchXer 2.0 here, and today we are unboxing Hugz the Clown. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. First thing we have are the instructions. We're not going to use these, so we're just going to throw those over there. We have the free hug sign. Pretty cool. We have the hip loop. We have the shoulder frame. We have one of the arms. And another one of the arms. We have both of the hands. We can take out the clothes and the sensor. This also has the neck ruffle somewhere in here. So we have the leg foam. We have the main mechanism and also the adapter right here. So here's the main mechanism. Ugh. We have the shoes, the head, which is the best part. I got a perfect head. No like deformities, no nothing. Perfect. Leg pulls and the base. Now, okay, so here are all the parts. We have the hands, the hip loop and shoulder frame, the free hug sign, the adapter, the arms, the main mechanism, the leg foam, the ruffle, the clothes, the head, the shoes, the base, and the leg pulls. Now, let's get into the setup. Okay, so we're gonna do the leg pulls and we're gonna start the setup. So, we're first gonna take the base and then we're gonna snap lock the leg pulls on. So B to A and then C to B. Now we slide the shoes on. Now the leg foam. And now we have to put the main, oh, never mind. We have to put the costume on. So, this side is the front. So we're gonna do that real quick. Okay, one more leg. That is not the leg, that's an arm. Okay, so now that we have the pants on and the shirt, now we put the main mechanism on. The speaker goes forwards, so that's the way you put it on. Okay, so now hip loop. Now we put the shoulder frame on. Perfect. I am going to scoot him back a little bit. And now we can pull the clothes up. So now that we have the clothes pulled up, now we're gonna do the arms. Okay, and then we have one arm on. Now we're gonna do the other arm. So now that we have the arms on, now we can do the hands. Okay, we're gonna do the hands. And then fold the cloth of the costume over the hands. And now we can put the head on. Okay, so now that we have the hands on, now we put the free Hugz sign on. It just goes over his neck and then just sits there. And I'm gonna adjust that just a tiny bit. And that's how it should look. Now we put the ruffle on. Pretty sure it goes this way. No, it goes this way. So there's a little Velcro right here on the thing, and there's a Velcro on its neck, so you're just going to Velcro that on, and then you tie it on the back. So it should just look like that. And now I'm going to get them all wired up, and I'm going to plug them in.
Hey there, friend. Welcome to the fun house. Come a little closer. We've got fun and games and heart. I'll get you next time. Hey there, friend. Welcome to the fun house. Come a little closer. We've got fun and games and heart.